Guys, I wanted to show you this solar system kit that I purchased. My daughter is learning all about space in school right now, so I thought this would be a really fun activity to do at home and kind of just like make art with science and more like a hands-on activity. So it comes with everything that you need. I really like this big map that or illustration that I can help teach the solar system for her. And then on the back it gives all the directions, all everything including like color mixing, so you can paint your different planets, which are right here, and it gives like directions on how to do that, as well as paint it, like color mixing to get all the different colors. It also comes with like a glow in the dark tube, which I think is super fun and really cool, so that you can make a glow in the dark at night. And then it has the base down here, which you can also then paint, and then it gives like each planet, so the distance will be how far it is. So really fun, great project to do and keep your kids like occupied off screens and educational, mixing art with science. Really happy with this kit. I will do another video after my daughter makes it and we post it.